This is awkward. So, my kid just graduated from high school, and although we did celebrate, it's a bit unsettling as well. Primarily because my entire life has been about this one little lioness. Everything I am, everything I've had, I've poured it into her. And she's incredible. She's like this young eaglet standing on the edge of the nest, and she's testing her wings, and it's beautiful, and it's also frightening. Suddenly I'm aware that, well, damn, this kid's about to take off. And what are you going to do with your life now? What you going to do? What will you focus on? It's a little bit unsettling to be at this age and to question if I even know who I really am. I know who I've tried to be for other people my entire life. Like, who am I for myself? I guess I'm about to find out.